Hi, my name is Martin and I'm a product manager of access control hardware at 2N. Today I would like to show you 2N Fortis wireless electronic locks that complete our access control portfolio by reaching the doors that cables cannot. Installing an access control system often starts out simple. Intercoms at the entrances, card readers in key areas, but there is very often one big challenge. What to do with doors that cannot be wired? Apartments, co-working spaces, offices, common areas, places where running cables is either costly or technically not feasible. Now we have the solution. Whether you choose 2N Fortis Handle for busy office interiors or 2N Fortis Cylinder for residential use, both products are built on the same powerful platform. Forget about complex installations. With 2N Fortis electronic locks, there is no cabling, no drilling, no special tools. Just a clean wireless setup powered by long-life batteries with low installation costs. Their sleek design, combined with the modular configuration, ensures that 2N Fortis electronic locks fit to almost all European doors. With a 5-year warranty, robust cybersecurity, top-tier quality, they deliver reliable innovations you expect from 2N. Now let's take a closer look at what's actually in the boxes, starting with 2N Fortis Cylinder. First, we unpack the cylinder body, which comes with the fixing screw, and we do support European profile cylinders sizes from 26/26 mm up to 70/70 mm with a 5 mm step. And we also do support Scandinavian oval profile. Next we have the mechanical knob, also called the thumb turn. It's made of stainless steel and designed for intuitive operation, allowing you to lock and unlock the door from the inside. The key component of the 2N Fortis Cylinder is the electronic knob. It comes with a quick start guide and is pre-packed with 2 CR2 batteries, so it's ready for immediate installation. It's typically mounted on the entry side of the door, but for enhanced security you can install it on both sides. Ideal for locations where authorized entry and exit are required. And yes, there is an outdoor version with IP66 rating, built to withstand even harsh weather. Now let's take a closer look at the 2N Fortis Handle, starting with the unboxing of the electronic lever. Inside the box you'll find a drilling template, usually unnecessary since the 2N Fortis Handle fits existing Mortise locks and pre-drilled holes. It's handy only for unprepared doors. At first glance, the handle stands out with its compact, elegant design and round rose. It's available in both left and right-handed versions. You'll also find an installation guide, one CR1238 battery and an Allen key in the box. The handle is compatible with multiple spindle sizes and door thicknesses from 30 to 110 mm. In the spindle set package you'll find the spindle itself and a pair of screws to securely attach the electronic handle to the door. Finally, in the last box you'll find the mechanical handle. Remember, the right electronic handle pairs with the left mechanical one and vice versa. The box also includes a fixing screw and another Allen key. Let's see how quick and easy it is to install both 2N Fortis electronic locks. First, the 2N Fortis handle. Simply remove the old mechanical handle, place the electronic lever on the outside and fix it from the inside. Attach the mechanical lever, secure it with the bayonet lock and tighten the grab screw. And that's it! Now the 2N Fortis Cylinder. It's even easier. Remove the existing cylinder, assemble the new one with the mechanical knob and insert it into the door. Secure it with the fixing screw, attach the electronic knob and swipe the configuration RFID card to lock it in place. For detailed step-by-step installation guides, visit our YouTube channel. So you have seen how 2N Fortis electronic locks combine sleek design with easy installation. It's important to note that 2N Fortis electronic locks are not standalone products. They must be always installed as a part of 2N access control solution. On the other hand, it's one of their great advantages how seamlessly they integrate with the rest of the access control ecosystem. For initial lock setup and security key transfer, we currently use a third-party app, soon to be replaced by our own. Then everything is managed centrally through 2N Access Commander, the same software you already use to manage access rules, time profiles, zones for intercoms and readers, now also includes 2N Fortis locks. One ecosystem, total control, no keys required. With 2N Fortis electronic locks, our access control solution is complete. Thank you for watching, and for more information visit 2N.com.